Hello everyone, my name is Firdaningsi. So in this video, I want to explain about economy of Colombia. If you are curious about what Colombia's economy is like, then you can listen to the explanation of this video. Let's get started. Colombia, officially Republic of Colombia, Spanish República de Colombia, country of northwestern South America. It's 1,000 miles or 1,600 kilometers of coast to the north arbeited by the waters of the Caribbean Sea, and it's 800 miles or 1,300 kilometers of coast to the west are washed by the Pacific Ocean. The country is bordered by Panama, which divides the two bodies of water. On the northwest by Venezuela and Brazil, on the east and by Peru and Ecuador on the south. It's more than twice the size of France and includes the San Andres y Providencia Archipelago, located off the Nicaraguan coast in the Caribbean, some 400 miles or 650 kilometers northwest of the Colombian mainland. The population is largely concentrated in the mountainous interior, where Bogota, the national capital, is situated on a high plateau in the northern Andes Mountains. In the colonial period, the economy was based almost entirely on gold mining, including robbery of the metal from the gravels or guacas of indigenous persons. The modern economy is much more broadly based, with the exploitation of hydrocarbon fuels and several metals, agriculture production, and the manufacture of goods for export and home consumption. Private enterprise dominates the economy, and direct government participation is limited to such industries as the railways, petroleum, and telecommunication. The government has attempted to foster economic stability and to encourage private enterprise through indirect measures, such as a favorable system of taxation and the extension of credit to new industries. Regional development organizations such as the Cauca Valley Corporation have been established to promote more balanced industrial growth, with emphasis on hydroelectric power development and flood control. Economic growth was quite substantial through the mid-20th century, but in subsequent decades, inflation and employment grew alarmingly as the growth rate declined. Nevertheless, Colombia was one of the few Latin American countries not to suffer a debt crisis in the 1980s, and in many ways, during that decade, it had the healthiest economy in the region. Agriculture remains a major component of the Colombian economy, although industrial development since the 1940s has been remarkable. A substantial proportion of Colombian land is uncultivated because of the prevalence of poor soils and unfavorable climatic conditions. The eastern plains are sparsely inhabited. The Pacific coast is still in forest because of high rainfall, and large areas in the Magdalena Valley remain in open range or are unused. Economic growth turned sharply negative in Colombia in 2020 but rebounded in 2021. The 5-year average growth rate was only 0.5%. A 5-year trend of gradually declining economic freedom has intensified, dragged down by score decrease in property rights and fiscal health. Colombia has recorded a 4.6-point overall loss of economic freedom since 2017 and has fallen from the top of the moderately free category to the middle. Trade freedom, monetary freedom, and investment freedom are strong, but government integrity and labor freedom exhibit weaknesses. Colombia's economic freedom score is 65.1, making its economy the 60th highest on the 2022 index. Colombia is ranked 12th among 32 countries in the Americas region, and its overall score is above the regional and world averages. Impact of COVID-19 as of December 1, 2021, 1,026 deaths had been attributed to the pandemic in Colombia, and the government response to the crisis ranked 43rd among the countries included in this index. In trend of its stringency, the economy contracted by 6.8% in 2020. So that's the picture of the Colombian economy. We can find out what their economic story was like until now. I hope this video can be useful for all of you. Sorry if there is an error in explaining. Thank you. See you later.